The life of the honeybee. The honeybee is one of the most important insects on Earth because it helps plants grow by carrying pollen. Bees live in groups called colonies, and each colony has thousands of bees working together. There are three main types of bees in a colony: the queen, the workers, and the drones. The queen is the only bee that lays eggs, and she can lay thousands in her lifetime. Worker bees are female bees that clean the hive, collect nectar, and feed the young bees. Drones are male bees, and their only job is to mate with the queen. Every bee has an important role that keeps the hive strong and active. Honeybees live in hives made of wax that they produce themselves, creating small rooms called cells. In these cells, bees store honey and pollen, and the queen lays her eggs. The bees collect nectar from flowers and turn it into honey by using their mouths and wings to remove the water. This honey becomes food for the bees during the winter when flowers are not available. The hive is always busy, and each bee knows exactly what it needs to do. The temperature inside the hive is carefully controlled by the bees to protect the eggs and honey. It is a perfect example of teamwork in nature. Communication is very important among honeybees, and they use dances to share information. When a bee finds a good place with flowers, it performs a special dance called the waggle dance. This dance tells other bees where to find nectar and pollen. Bees can also use their sense of smell to recognize each other in their hive. They protect their hive from other insects or animals that try to take their honey. The way they work together shows how smart and organized bees are. Their behavior has been studied by scientists all over the world. Honeybees are also very important for humans and the environment. They help pollinate many of the fruits and vegetables that people eat every day. Without bees, there would be much less food and fewer flowers in the world. However, bees are in danger because of pollution, pesticides, and the loss of flowers. Many people are now working to protect bees by planting flowers and avoiding harmful chemicals. The honeybee teaches us the importance of cooperation and caring for nature. It is a small creature, but it makes a big difference in our world. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.